Welcome back. So Harbor Freight's March parking lot sale has leaked on Reddit, of course. This is the parking lot sale March 3rd through March 9th. Inside Track, of course, gets early access Monday through Thursday, and then everybody saves, if you're not an ITC member, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the 8th, 7th, 8th, and the 9th. And so we'll go through this relatively quickly, and I'll focus in on some of the bigger percentage off ones, and we'll just go ahead and get started. $369 for the microfiber cleaning cloths, 50 caliber ammo can, $9.98. This all-purpose tarp, the 5 foot by 7 foot, $1.98 for a top, okay. Titanium drill bit set, 29 piece, $9.96. 2800 weatherproof protective case, medium, $17.99, 40% off. I believe this is the Braun 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar. Work light, 53% off, $13.99. Coming down here to the Predator 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator. CO Secure Technology, $200 off, $5.99. This 42-22-inch roll cab US General, $4.99, $100 off. The Icon T8 intelligent diagnostic scanner, $110 off, $789.99. Pittsburgh 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump, $50 off for $89.99. And we have these, well, a couple heavy hitters, and then 50% off. I think I always preach that rarely see 50% off of any brand, but here we have a 50% off. So we'll look first. Well, we'll go over them and then we'll look at them. In-store only, 30% off Hercules, all corded power tools. Corded tools, basically all corded tools, then 40% off QUINN, all socket sets and ratchets, which, okay, I think I'm seeing how I read that. And then 50% off all Hardy gloves. So let's look first at the Hercules, 30% off. And so I've sorted it. These are all the corded tools according to Harbor Freight's website, just from highest to lowest. So you have the 15 amp, 66 pound, 1/8 inch hex breaker hammer with maximum vibration control, $650. Getting 30% off of that is roughly, was it $190, almost $200 off. And then you have the $499 Hercules 15 amp, 42 pound, 1 1/8 inch hex lower ball wall breaker hammer with maximum vibration control. Essentially $500, 30% off of that is $150 off. So you're getting this for, what is that, $350. Then we have the Hercules 14 amp, 1 7/8 inch SDS max type variable speed rotary hammer, maximum vibration control, $449. Currently has $100 off, which is a little bit less than 25%. If you're getting 30% off of this, that's $88 with $130 off, almost $140 off. Getting this close to $300, so better than the current ITC deal going on. And then you have the 15 amp, 12 and 1/2 portable thickness planer for $399. So you definitely have some options here for the corded tools. Hercules has a lot of corded tools. They have demolition hammer, maximum vibration, $379, 30% off. Getting 30% off of all of these. The 15 amp, 10 inch compact job site table saw with rack and pinion fence for $350. Get that for 30% off. Getting close to over $100, close to $100 off. This 12 inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with precision LED shadow guide, $349.99. And the list goes on. So any of these tools will be 30% off. Again, corded tools, and it's on the website. You can sort by what Hercules tools are corded. Next, there's a few of them here, and this actually depends how you read the sale, but we have QUINN, 40% off QUINN all socket sets and ratchets. And so wonder if that includes all socket and ratchet sets, but I've went ahead and looked at all of them. But first we're looking at the sockets. So there's, of course, a few different sockets. QUINN, definitely quality brand. We have the SAE metric master set. These are sorted from price high to low, although this doesn't make sense because these two are more expensive than this one. But anyways, oh, it says starting at, I see, because there's a ½ inch. There's a ½ inch set. Current instant savings, deal ends 3/6, so its original price is $180. If you're getting this for 40% off, you're getting this for about $70 off. So you're getting it for about $100. So this ½ inch drive master impact socket set, the 60 piece, is going to be the pricier one, the one you'll get the biggest discount on. And then you have the QUINN 1-inch drive SAE metric truck service impact set, 10 piece, $109.99 at 40% off. You're saving essentially $40, a little bit over $40. And then you have the master bit socket set, 87 piece, saving $40 for $60. And then the options go on. A lot of different deals on different sockets, but we'll keep going. They don't have as many selection for ratchets as I thought, But here are the 4 that come up for being Quinn and being ratchets. Their more expensive ratchet is a 3/4 inch extendable ratchet, $69.99. And then you get to the 1/2 inch drive low profile sealed head ratchet, the 3/8 drive low profile sealed head ratchet, and the 1/4 inch drive low profile sealed head ratchet. And then if these are on sale, again, it depends how you read it. Maybe I'm reading it wrong. All socket sets and ratchets. So this could specifically be talking about only socket sets by themselves and ratchets by themselves. But if it's not, and it includes their socket and ratchet sets, then this is probably going to be the mother of all deals. Of course, the one and only Master Technician's tool set, the 428 piece for $400. If you're getting 40% off, you're getting this for $160 off, which is absolutely would be an incredible deal. So not confirmed, depends how you read it. It could just be the socket sets and the ratchets, but there's a possibility that it includes socket and ratchet sets. And Quinn has quite a few good options. This 3/4 inch drive SAE ratchet and deep impact socket set, 21 piece for $219, 40% off. You're getting this for essentially $80 off, which would be about $140, which would be quite a deal. And they do have these spark plug socket sets, which I feel should be included because these, I don't see these being a ratchet socket set. I see this more as just a socket set, $74.99, 40% off. You're getting it for about $30 off. So you're getting this for about $45, which is crazy. And then just these last few socket sets, $59.99, the 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive sets, high vis, 3/8 drive, SAE metric high vis socket sets, 35 piece, and then the 21 piece SAE and metric chrome socket and ratchet sets. And then the last one, which doesn't sound so great, would be the 50% off Hardy. But the 50% sounds amazing. So I'm curious as to what type of gloves they offer at 50% off. And so same thing. This is Hardy, sorted high to low. And their more expensive glove is the anti-vibration mechanics glove, the $20. So you get that for $10. Their Hardy 9mm nitrile powder-free gloves, 50-pack. You get that for about $8, $8.50. And then the premium leather deerskin work glove, $14.99 for about $7.50. So some pretty decent deals, and they actually surprisingly have more of a variety than I expected. They have these new gloves that just came out, high dexterity impact resistant work gloves, $14.99. So you get them for about $7.50. And just, yeah, quite a few options on gloves, which I didn't realize they had. These brand new insulated knit work gloves, $7.99. Get them for about $4. And then going all the way down, they have already some at pretty decent discounts. They have these new fingerless work gloves for $5.99. Get those for $3. So 50% off of gloves. Nothing to scoff at. And we'll just kind of fly through. We've seen a lot of these sales before on a lot of these tools. So let me know which ones stand out to you. But we'll just check them out. The Vulcan for $8.50. The OmniPro 2020 Industrial Welder. The Bauer manual feed drain cleaner, $199.99. The Portland pressure washer for $69.99. Badland tends to have sales throughout the year. It's only $70 off, which is all right. $279.99. The Predator 6.5 horsepower horizontal shaft engine, $99.99. This bottom yellow banner, the portable tire inflator with LED light, $9.98. These wall mount lights, $8.92. Wobble socket extension sets, this is $9.98. This hardwood dolly for $7.96. This tool bag, 14 pockets for $4.98. The 1500 watt dual temperature heat gun, which I feel like they were giving it away recently. Maybe it wasn't this one. $9.96. We have the 24-inch cable ties, $1.49. Security bit set, $7.98. The tire for $5.94. Moving blanket, $3.96, which seems like an incredible deal. Hex shank socket driver, 3-piece for $1.98. The step drills, bits, titanium, $9.96. We got some Bauer deals, which we tend to have Bauer deals pretty often. The 20-volt 2-cordless drill, impact driver kits, battery and charger for $84.99. The 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench, $99.99. Admiral 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, $179.99. Universal portable bandsaw benchtop stand, 99 bucks. The random orbit palm sander for 20 bucks, 50% off. The 5 amp variable speed drywall sander for $60 off. That sounds pretty good. I know there was a sale on these. Wish I had a better memory. $109.99, pretty decent deal. 7 amp, 4.5 inch slide switch angle grinder for 20 bucks. Another one, 40% off, all cut off and grinding wheels. So if you need some grinding wheels, this will be the time to stock up. $20 off the handheld electric drain cleaner for 80 bucks. $39.99 for the short throw random orbit polisher and sander. Banks brad nailer for 20 bucks. Retractable hose reel, central pneumatic for $59.99. These can get pretty convenient if you have need in your garage. The Avanti airless paint primer stain sprayer, $199.99, 50 bucks off. Fortress, of course, a couple of compressors, $169.99 for the 2-gallon. Ultra quiet, and then the ultra quiet 6-gallon oil-free pancake job air site compressor, $40 off for $189.99. The McGraw, $40 off. I feel like we had some better deals on these recently, but these aren't too bad. I would say rarely buy anything at Harbor Freight unless it's on sale. That's probably a fair rule to follow. There's only a few items that rarely go on sale, and even then, if you sign up for the emails, at one point you can get a 25% off. So I would say rarely, unless you really need, buy something at full price. The compressors, McGraw, $199 for the 20-gallon, and then 3-gallon 110 psi for $49.99. Of course, 2 options: the bottom yellow banner, the 12-in-1 infrared laser thermometer, $14.99. 20-ounce HVLP gravity feed air spray gun, $9.92. The Sawhorse 500-pound capacity, $12.99. Your choice of shop towels, 50-pack. Sounds pretty impressive. All right, you got my attention there. $7.94 for 50-pack of shop towels. That's absolutely an insane deal. That sounds like you're buying paper towels, but these are shop towels. 25 foot by 1 inch quick fine tape measure with ABS casing, $1.98. Air compressor starter kit, 20 piece, $9.98. And then in the yellow banner, the 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack for 15 bucks, pliers, comfort grip for 15 bucks, some ratchet tie downs for 12 bucks, solid rubber wheel chock safety first for $5, the 5-gallon fuel can for $18.99, and then the 800 lumen LED tactical flashlight, $9.92. This Badland, $20 off. That doesn't sound too great. I feel like I've seen bigger discounts on this. $159.99, and then the 5-drawer mechanics cart, $189.99. I think this is pretty close to the lowest price it's been, and that is accurate. I feel like it's been down to this price quite a bit recently. $189, both as the retail price during Black Friday, and there's been a couple sales. At least this shows a sale since then during December, but $189 is the lowest price that it's gone. And I wonder if it'll go down to that price a few more times throughout the year. Maybe during Black Friday it'll go down even lower, but $189 for sure is the lowest price. I don't think it's gone lower than that unless you're getting like a used one or you're getting some type of manager special. You have this 72-inch, 22-inch triple bank roll cab for $13.99. $400 off, pretty huge discount. The Pittsburgh aluminum racing floor jack for 80 bucks, 1.5 ton, crazy. These Daytona 3-ton jacks have been cheaper, but this is basically about the price that you want to get them at, right around $25. I mean, you could get them for 25 bucks. I think I've seen them down to 23 bucks, but 27 bucks is not too bad. And they do have a couple new colors, the purple and I believe, what is that, the red or the orange? And there's this Daytona 3-ton profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, $124.99, which is really good for a Daytona. 55 bucks off. These US General Peck type socket trays, 3-piece, $17.99. Some Icon, which of course is always amazing. Precision snap ring pliers, 8-piece, $49.99, 33% off. And then the Creeper, 400-pound capacity. Like to see that. 16% off for 75 bucks. Pittsburgh Mechanics tool set, 225 piece for $99. The older Hallmaster 1720-pound capacity trailer, $499.99. This Viking 1000 peak amp, air compressor, jump starter, power pack, $69.99. The Centec battery charger with engine jump start for $129. Of course, they have their magnetic pickup tool for $2. Cushion grip screwdriver set for $5.93. This 5-foot horizontal E-track for $12.99. Brake bleeder and vacuum pump kit for $18. 250 lumen portable folding LED work light for $4.92. These 12-volt magnetic towing lights for $20. And then the last page, we have the Prime Power alkaline batteries, 382, 20 bins. Storage part storage, 596. The professional rivet nut setter for 30 bucks. 4-foot by 12-foot canvas drop cloth for 692. Another tarp for 20 bucks. The 50-foot garden hose for 15 bucks. That sounds like a heck of a deal. Titanium Easy Flux 125 amp welder for $30 off. There was a sale on these recently. $119.99. Unlimited 200 professional multi-process welder with 12240 volt input, $599.99. $200 off. They do have a sale on the welding table. I can't say I see this too often, so this one might be a premium one to get. And it does look like there has been some coupons and retail price for the welding table. Essentially last August and Black Friday and Christmas got down to as low as $149.99. And that's the lowest price. So this is definitely the lowest price that it's been. So it would be a good time to get this deal. Maybe that is, I still haven't confirmed. Maybe that is what the red circles mean, that those are at their lowest price. We have the Flux 125 Chicago electric welder, 99 bucks. The 9,500 watt super quiet inverter generator with co-secure technology, $500 off. It's for 1,800 bucks. Okay. 500 bucks is a lot, but 1,800 bucks is also a lot. The 9,000 watt gas powered portable generator with CO secure technology, 700 bucks, $100 off. And then the 2-inch 212cc gasoline engine semi trash water pump, $229. This welding helmet, I believe there was a better deal recently, but this isn't too bad, 25% off at $29.99. This thing that goes on sale pretty often, I've seen it because it always confuses me by the picture and they have to do a zoom in here. $49.99, 16% off for the electric pole saw, 12-foot by 20-foot truck SUV portable garage, $329.99. The Yukon 60-inch 3-door hardwood workbench, $150. And the 5-tier shelf, 33% off, $39.99. The Franklin cart for 75 bucks. That feels a bit pricey, especially since it's polypropylene service cart, but maybe that means it'll last longer than the metal service cart like the US Generals. We have the Central Machinery 20-ton H-frame floor shop press, 200 bucks. The 6-liter ultrasonic parts cleaner. Those are fun. I want to get one of these just to play around with and clean some of my old tools maybe. $139.99, 40 bucks off. The 1/4 horsepower worry-free submersible utility pump, 99 bucks. Foldable aluminum chair, sports chair for $22.99. Vanguard 100-foot triple tap extension cord, 109 bucks for an extension cord. Someone explained to me why it's 109 bucks because I don't know. 24 feet LED outdoor string lights, 20 bucks. Metric Star folding hex key set, $496. Multi-use transfer pump for 4 bucks. High visibility socket adapters for $292. 7-inch wire stripper with cutter for $294, and then the ratcheting combination wrench set. It's pretty nice for 20 bucks, 31% off. And we'll leave it at that. Some great deals, decent deals. I would say pretty decent deals coming up in March. Plan your deals accordingly. There was a Wednesday flash sale this past Wednesday. There's going to be a flash sale every Wednesday in the month of February, so look out for those videos probably Tuesday as soon as that flash sale gets released. But anyways, hopefully you find this helpful. Please consider liking and subscribing, and as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.